Alright, y'all, here we are. We're back again at the Graveyard Speedway, running into heavy sport stock class. This is the main event. Finished second. Decent crowd showed up tonight. Looks like we're gonna go around again before we get this race started. Looks like we're gonna go green next time by, I believe. Nice little group here in this class. Not too big, not too small. Enough to have some good racing. Looks like we're going green. Looks like I'm getting smoked right now. Pretty badly. We're gonna see if we can run him back down though. He puts it on me on them starts. I think he's spraying nitrous or something. I don't know. Stepping away from the pack a little bit. Trying to rush that short corner a little harder. It ain't helping me a whole lot, but I'm gonna have to get some rocket boosters or something to catch. Old boy up front there. I can close the gap a little bit. Just a little bit. Catch him right in there. He pours the coals on it right here though. I can't do nothing with him when he straightens it out. Looks like I run him down a little bit more in the corners there, but I've run out of time. Ain't nothing I can do. He pours the coals on it when we hit that straightaway. There goes the checkered flag. Well, we had a good time. We brought home a good solid second. Winning's always better, but we had fun. The race went pretty quick. We didn't have a bunch of cautions. You don't see that many times. Most time it's 29,000 cautions. But that one rolled on through pretty fast. But y'all come check out the Graveyard. Real nice facility and some good racing. See y'all later.